Fantastic. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. So my name is Abdulatif. Alright, so in the last video we solved this question. Alright, so we're going to solve another question now using the same substitution method. Alright, so I will just change this to question 2. Okay, and then I will change the questions also to the next. So another example so you can see how it works. Right, so this is 17. Alright, and this is 4x minus y equals 6. Fantastic. So these are the two equations that we have here. 2x minus 4y equals to 17. 4x minus y equals to 6. So let me take this to the next page. Alright, bring it to the next page. Okay, so these are the questions, just like the way we did the other time. So you have it here, and as I explained earlier, the first step you have to do is to make one of the variable the subject, and then when you're making the variable the you have to make use of the one that have just one coefficient. They have a coefficient of 1, and we check here. Equation 1 we have 2x minus 4y equals 17. Equation 2 we have 4x minus y equals to 6. Alright, so from here now, from equation 2 we have a variable that have a coefficient of 1, which is y. So that's what we're going to substitute. So to substitute it, make the subject. To make the subject and to make it easy for us, we simply bring this y to this other side. Alright, and then we'll bring the 6 to the other side. So the y will become positive and the 6 will become negative. So I'll just do that now so you see how it's been done. Alright, so the y will come here, the 6 will come here, the y will come here. So just that we are trying to replace them. Alright, so we have 4x minus 6 equals to y. We can now rewrite this to give us y equals to 4x minus 6. Alright, it is still the same thing. I just like when I go interchange something. Alright, so that's exactly what it is. So this now is our equation 3. Is our equation 3. Let me indicate that here. So this is what we're not going to use. We're not going to remember I said we're going to substitute it into the second equation. So here we use equation, okay, here we use equation 1. Sorry, we use equation 2 to make our y-derivative formula. So we want to substitute, you have to make use of equation 1. So that means anywhere we see, so this simply means that anywhere we see x, so anywhere we see y, we change it into 4x minus 6. Change it to 4x minus 6. Right, so let's do that. So this is our y here. We simply change it to 4x minus 6. All right, okay, so let me just increase that. So change it to 2x minus 4 into bracket 4x minus 6 equals 17. So this is now what you're going to solve. So to solve this, we simply open the brackets. So we know that this equals to 4 times 4x is equals to 16x. Okay, so that will give us 16x. 16x. Oh, that's minus 4 times 4x give us 16x. Then minus 4 times minus 6, that gives us plus 24. Remember, plus times minus will give you plus. So this will be our next thing. Then we'll now solve this together by collecting the like times. We collect the like times to do this. Alright, so we bring this 16x. So they are already collected already. We just need to bring this 24 to this side, and we'll bring 24, which is positive, to the other side. It becomes what? Negative. So we have 17 minus 24. Okay, so that's that, and then we now solve this. So 2x minus 16x, that's simply for minus 14x. Okay, and then 17 minus 24, that's simply minus 7. All right, then the next thing I need to do is to divide both sides by minus 14, which is the coefficient of x, which is the coefficient of x. So we just do that. All right, so we're dividing by minus 14. Okay, we got minus 14. So when you do this will simply cancel. This minus 14 will cancel minus 14, minus we cancel minus, and 7 here 1, 7 in 14, that's 2. All right, so what this simply means is that our x is now equals to 1 over 2. Okay, it's now equals to 1. I don't want to do it that way. I want it to be over. Okay, I have to use this. Equals to 1 over 2. I can even see 1 over 2 here. So x equals to 1 over 2. Alright, fantastic. So that's our x. So now, since we now know our x, then the next thing we need to do is to substitute this x equals to 1 over 2 in this equation 3 to actually get our y. Alright, so let's do that in the next page. Alright, so this is our equation 3, and remember that s is equals to 1 over 2. That means anywhere we see x, we change it to 1 over 2. So let's do that. Okay, so we change this x to 1 over 2. Alright, so when we do that, we see that this will be equals to, so 4 times 1 over 2, that will give us 2. That means 2 cancel 4. 2 in 4, that's 2. So we simply have so this automatically changed to 2. So that gives us 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. And that is simply 2 minus 6 is simply minus 4. Okay, so that's our answer. Alright, so in that particular case, our s is equals to 1 over 2 and our y equals to minus 4. So I hope you get this. Okay, I hope this is clear enough, so you can just watch the video over and over to get it, to understand it. And if you have any question, you can always ask me and I'll be glad to answer you. Thank you.